Now, we all know what Henry VIII did to the Catholic Church. Hello, welcome to Ev's Historical World. And today we are at, as you can see, a Catholic church. This is a very ornate church, next to a manor house in fact, and it is very nice inside. Now, unlike other churches, this has a very different architectural makeup than others. Like, these Catholic churches tend to feature more pillars and columns in other churches, along with quite a lot of arches as well. You might notice as well that there's quite a lot more paintings on the walls and ceilings, along with more carvings too. There's the organ. There's even a museum off to the side. You can even look at this, which seems to be a wash basin, but it has an oyster shell on the inside. Now, we all know what Henry VIII did to the Catholic Church. Was one. The Arundel family, like a few others, successfully hid some priests. Now, here's some information all about them, but there's a couple that stand out. One of the martyrs, Hugh Green, was born a Protestant, and in 1611 he became ordained and converted. He then became chaplain to the Arundel family. During the time of the Civil War, the Puritans revived the law that it was a Protestant-only country. You can actually see a picture of him right up there. Now we have got to the point where I say thanks for watching and listening to Ev's Historical World.